On Draw Stuff Real Easy, I'm going to show you how to draw a German World War I helmet, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it! Well, you need to start with this dome, and that's quite a definite kind of shape, the dome, so that wants to sort of come down a little bit. This is quite vertical, this last bit, and then you want to sort of curve that around to there, and then this will come straight out to there and then down quite deep, and then that will come down to there, and then we have this kind of rim around like that, and then we have a button round about there, and then we have these lugs round about here. So these have a dual action, so they kind of let a bit of air through, but also you kind of fit an extra piece of armour over the top, which kind of hooks onto those lugs. And then here's another little pin which holds on these straps. So down here you're going to see that going over to there, and we're going to want to have the straps which will sort of come down there like that. Now if we draw that in ink, we'll start with that little bit there, the lug, and there really is a definite look of Darth Vader about this helmet, isn't there? And I think that's obviously where the inspiration came for the Darth Vader helmet. And so take your time, smoothly follow around. That's quite a point there, and then that comes back, and then we're going to want this to come down and around like that. And we've got a little button in there and a little button there, and we're going to see the straps on the inside with a kind of a buckle, and there'll be some kind of a buckle thing going on there, and they're coming up there, and then you're going to see that part across there. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines and you won't smudge the ink. And we can make this quite dark in here just by putting lots of lines close together. It's called hatching there, and we'll try and give a feel of the shape here by putting some vertical hatching, but these lines will just get slightly shorter, slightly shorter, slightly shorter, and then a similar thing happening here. So these lines will then sort of follow along this line and get shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter. And then here we're going to draw some other shade lines coming. They're getting longer and longer and longer until they get to the end, and then they're kind of going all the way down. But we'll cross hatch this and draw some extra lines coming round just to make that a bit darker, like that. And we'll make those straps a little bit darker underneath. So it's big lines, big lines, big lines, and then they get sort of turn into dots. And then here, big lines, and they turn into dots. They just sort of fade away like that. And we can just put a little bit of a curve in there just to add a bit of thickness to that, and a little bit of shadow, and there you go, how to draw a First World War German helmet. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing, 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 practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.